down here at Noteboom RV, Harrisburg, South Dakota. Just wanted to let you know I'm sitting in our brand new Sierra 399 Loft. This is the only one of this floor plan I will be able to get from now to Memorial Day. Now is a good time to buy. We will store until spring for you. Give us a call, 605-743-4002. Let's take a look at some of the features. Think how nice it's going to be kicked back, watching a little bit of TV on those rainy days when you're at the lake. Dual AC unit. A lot of airspace in here to cool down. Single AC is not going to cut it. Woo-wee! Check out that big residential insignia oven. Plenty of windows. Perfect for viewing the great views of the Midwest. Residential fridge. You will not run out of room for all your groceries and beverages. Modern interior. Good quality cabinetry, solid wood. Residential style bathroom. Plenty of room to get around. This unit is a fiberglass sided high gel coat gloss. Single loft, sleeping for the youngers or grandkids. King size bed. Heated sealed underbelly to help with your extended late season camping. Along with the king size bed, in the bedroom you also get washer dryer prep. So if you want to add the washer dryer to do loads of laundry when needed. 605-743-4002, Chaz at Noteboom RV. South of Sioux Falls, a few miles on Minnesota Avenue. Look forward to seeing you. Thanks.